we are in Photoshop, generate the image here. So that will create the design by using the inlet structure. So that's the clipping mask we have added on it. There it is. I will explore the different options. Then I will take the different designs. Use a shape there. I will inlet image over that. So let's have a structure on it. Make it fixed. So that's the clipping mask on it.